Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to free up storage space on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Here, delete or offload unused apps. Solution 2. Open WhatsApp. Click on Settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down. Click on Storage and Data. Next, click on Manage Storage. Here, select the items. Delete your unwanted photos or videos. Solution 3. Open Settings. In Settings page, scroll down at the bottom. Click on Apps. Find and click on Safari. Scroll down. Click on Clear History and Website Data. Here, select the time. Click on Clear History. Solution 4. Go to Photos app. Here, select unwanted photos and videos and delete it. Go to Collections. Scroll down. Click on Recently Deleted. Enter your iPhone passcode. Delete your photos and videos from here too. Solution 5. Delete all messages. Store photos and files in iCloud to free up local storage. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.